Hey guys, I'm on the Harbor Freight website and I want to show you these spring savings coupons. Now these started on a Monday, April 28th through Sunday, May 11th. So I'm a little bit late to the game, but jumping right in. We're going to start with this Daytona 3-ton low-profile professional floor jack with rapid pump. And it's going to be $149.99. It's going to be $50 off. And you can get up to one at this price. And this is going to reach working height in just 3.5 pumps. And you get this in 4 different colors: black, green, or orange. Now this is the 3-ton professional floor jack. It's not the low profile one. And that's going to be $10 cheaper. This is a battery operated liquid transfer pump. This is going to be $6.99, and this coupon is 48% off. So a really good coupon on this, and you can get up to 4 at this price. Next is a Maddox disc brake pad and caliper service toolkit. This is a 11-piece set. It's going to be 28% off, and you can get up to 2 of these at this price here. This is from Zurich. This is a ZR13 OBD2 code reader with ABS, SRS, and Fix Assist. The thing I like about this is it's corded. You don't have to worry about any apps, Wi-Fi. You just hook it right up, and you'll be able to diagnose. This is for the Master Tech as well. Now for $99, this is a good deal at $40 off. This is a car jacket's rapid pump, which is going to lift your car up in 3.5 pumps. It's a 2-ton low-profile floor jack with rapid pump, and that's from Pittsburgh. Next, from Kenway, this is a 12-volt LED trailer light kit for $32.99. It was $37.99, so you're getting $5 off or 13% off. This is pretty highly rated at about 4.7 stars here. And then next up from Badland, this is their ZXR 3,500-pound UTV Power Sport winch with automatic load holding brake. This is great if you need to recover UTVs, boats, other power sport vehicles up to 3,500 pounds. And it does include a 2 remote control, a dash mounted, as well as a wired control. Now next from Drummond, this is a 3/4 horsepower sump pump. It has stainless steel construction. It's 4,400 gallons per hour. This is going to be $20 off at $159.99. It was $179.99. Next from Windsor Design is a number 33 bench plane. This is going to be 23% off with this coupon at $9.99. It was $12. Now this is pretty neat. It's from Pittsburgh. It's a 3/8-inch drive dual flex ratchet. 29% off. You can get up to 3 at this price. And it was $16.99. And this is great for mechanics work, I think. If you're trying to get in some, spaces, there's hoses in the way, there's sensors. You can reach and get certain parts out, get nuts out, whereas you wouldn't be able to without taking other pieces off and hoses off. So this is a really neat tool. Next from Pittsburgh Pro, this is the 3/8-inch drive quick release extension bar set. It's a 4-piece set. For $17.99, it's 18% off. And this is great for reach in tight spaces with the quick release extension bars. Now from Pittsburgh, this is an 11-inch swivel pad. It's a C-clamp locking plier. This is $5.99. It's going to be 33% off. And this is great for getting a firm grip around like oversized areas that you can't get otherwise. Guys, look at this deal. Icon 11-inch 45-degree long reach pliers. They do have that bend at the end, so you kind of are able to reach certain areas. You can use these for appliance work. And look at that price, 31% off. That's almost as good as Spring Black Friday here. And you can use up to 3 coupons at this price, so just keep that in mind. Next from Icon again, it's going to be 37% off. So you're seeing some high percent off deals on these 3/8-inch drive professional socket extension sets. This is a 6-piece set at $24.99. And these say they feature the little carrying case, and these are chrome moly steel with a durable polished chrome finish to give these more strength. Again, from Icon here, we have a 3/8-inch drive. This is a 20 to 100 foot-pound professional split beam torque wrench at $89.99. It's 10% off, also $10 off. This is going to give you more consistent torque under load with accuracy. Now check this out. These are great. This is an 11-inch 90-degree bent-nosed long-reach plier. These are perfect for getting certain appliance work if you're working on some washers that you need to get that little hose around. the inside drum there. From Pittsburgh, this is a 3/8 of an inch drive metric hex socket set. It's a 6-piece set at $549. It was $699. It's going to be 21% off. And these have high-vis markings, which you're going to be able to pick these out easier when you're selecting these. Now we've got these Vanguard 100-foot, 16 by 3 gauge indoor or outdoor extension cords. $24.99. This is going to be 16% off. Nothing crazy, but you can get 2 at this price. Now, if you need something to charge your phone, this is a lightning cord. It's a 6-foot USB to lightning braided charging cable. It's going to be 15% off and at $10.99. These are great because there are 3 times the length of the standard charging cable. Now from Storehouse, these are the PTO pin assortment 20-piece sets. And these are for power takeoff assemblies, $7.99. They were $9.99. And this coupon, you're getting 20% off. Now, if you ever lose screws when you're putting something together from like IKEA or wherever, these are some self-tapping wood screw assortments. You can always use these, throw this in your toolbox. $279, it was $449, so you're getting 37% off. Really good deal on this, something to always have on standby. Now from Pittsburgh, this is an 8-inch multi-purpose stainless steel scissor. This is going to be 12% off. You can get 4 at this price. They're opening a Hercules battery pack here, as well as cutting some carpet tile, it looks like. Next from Hallmaster are these 750-pound capacity folding cargo carriers for $99. This is going to be $20 off, correct? And you can just use this for extra storage. We just went on vacation and could have used this as well. But they have a little cooler, can use some bags, so you just have to strap it down. And this does fold right up, so it's not going to be hanging out there like that. Next from Hallmaster is this 9,200-pound ratcheting load binder for $39.99. That's $10 off. And then this 1,000-pound capacity 10 by 84-inch steel loading ramp. Now this is going to be a set of 2, $79.99. This is 20% off, as well as $20 off. And this is great if you just need to load something up in your truck, like these all-terrain vehicles, and then you just load these back in your truck as well in the truck bed. Now from Fortress are these 9-gallon, 135 PSI high-performance gas wheelbarrow job site air compressors. Now these are going to be $200 off at $9.99. And this is contractor grade gas powered and can power up to 3 nailers at once. So that's pretty nice. Now from Central Pneumatic are these 3/8 of an inch by 50-foot retractable hose reels for $59. With this coupon, you're getting 33% off. You can get up to 2 at this price. And they have a locking ratchet system built in as well. So you can keep your position. It won't be going back and forth. And then Merlin has these 50-foot rubber air hoses. Merlin also has these 1/4-inch male brass industrial couplers at $3.99, 14% off or $1 off. And they have this air tool oil as well. It's 16 ounces, 20% off at $3.99 here. Now, Hallmaster, they have these 13-inch flat-free tires with powder-coated steel hubs. They can hold up to 275 pounds apiece, and they're guaranteeing these won't go flat. Next, they also have these 15-inch worry-free tires with a polyurethane hub. And then if you need to stock up on your super glue, this is a 3-pack of super glue for 99 cents. That's 33% off. Now, 50% off. This is a really good deal on these 1 5/8 inch solid rubber swivel casters. High rating on that one as well. Now this is an 8-foot by 10-foot silver and black extreme duty all-weather resistant tarp. 7% off, nothing crazy, but $11.99 if you need one. $27 on this larger tarp. This is an all-weather resistant tarp. It's one of those blue ones. And then if you need a 12 by 20-foot silver and black tarp, that's going to be $34 compared to the $11.99 one. Now coming up on some power tools, this is from Bauer. It's their 1/8 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch step down bits. So you get 13 steps in one bit, 6 in another, and then 9 in their number 3 bit. 25% off at $14.99. This was $19.99, and you can get up to 3 at this price. And they're saying that these last 2 times as long as well. Now from Bauer, these are some impact drill and driver bit sets, 35-piece set. You really don't see Bauer items go on sale that much, so this is pretty nice. This coupon's 31% off at $14.99. It was $21.99. And these say they have precision design. You're getting the carrying case, everything pictured here. Next from Warrior are these security bit sets. This is a 33-piece set at $4.99, 16% off. It's about $1 off here. Nothing crazy, but it's something off in case you need this. And this also works with Torx. Now this is from Warrior. It's their router template guide. It's a 9-piece set at $12.99. This is going to be 13% off. Now Hercules has these 6-inch metal cutoff wheels. This is a 10-pack at $14.99. It's going to be 25% off, and you're getting it up to 3 at that price. Now from Bauer, they have these 6-inch PSA stick-on sanding discs. These are going to be 53% off, so a really good deal here. If you do need some extra sanding discs, this is a great time to stock up because these are over half off. They were $6.49, and they're now going to be $2.99 with a really high rating. Now, if you are going to be painting some railing or cabinets, you may want to check out this Avanti handheld HVLP paint and stain sprayer. This is going to be $49.99. It's 28% off. You can get up to 2 at this price, and this is saying it's 3 times faster than manual application. Say you were painting railing or fencing, doing it with the brush, this is going to be 3 times as fast. It might be a good time to pick up one. I think the actual larger machine is on sale also. From Central Machinery, you're going to be getting this 20-inch 3-speed high-velocity fan at $44.99. It's 25% off. It was $59.99. And this is a 3-speed fan for your workplace or your home. Next from Quinn, you're getting this 10-pack of razor blades, whether you're just using them to remove some items, you're doing some pro work, 99 cents on those. Now this is a 1.5-inch angle brush. They're saying it's good quality. So in Harbor Freight language, that means it's kind of a middle-of-the-road brush. 55% off though, so that's not too bad at $199. Was $449. So a nice brush if you're going to do some DIY work. If you have some projects you just want to paint around the house, not necessarily for like painting the whole house trim or your go-to pro brush, but still a good quality brush that you can use just around the house. Next from Yukon, you've got this 5-tier shelf. It is measuring in at 36 by 18 inches by 72 inches tall. This is going to be $39.99, 33% off or $20 off. And you can get up to 2 at this price. So if you need to get some items off your floor in your garage, your man cave, or down in the basement, it might not be finished. To just get some things off the floor, we used one for tools earlier. Next is this metal .5 caliber ammo can. High ratings, they always generally have this on sale. It just depends what percentage and what price. $11.99. It was $17.99, so a pretty good deal here. This is going to be 33% off. A lot of people put cameras in here, electronics, or even medical supplies just to keep them away from the water. Next from Franklin, you're getting this industrial propylene service cart. I can't say that word. $89.99, so this is 10% off or $10 off. Same thing in this situation. You see these around all the time. If you're in any office space, they're carrying their mechanics or tool cart around on this. Next from Voyager, this is a 12-inch tool tote with 18 pockets. This is a great item if you're just taking it to do 1 or 2 jobs. Nothing too big, but you can see what it is able to carry at $7.99. This is going to be 20% off. Originally was $10. And they have like 1 drill in there, some hammers, and some smaller tools with some things clamped to the side, which is nice that you're able to do that. Next from US General, this is a folding side tray 4-door tech cart in red. This comes in all different colors here, 11% off. And this is handy because it folds down as well and just adds some extra storage to your cart. They have an icon tool up there at the moment. Next from Titanium, this is a MIG 170 professional welder with 120 by 240 volt input at $529. It was $549. So you're getting $20 off with this coupon. This is good for 1 machine. And this works with or without the shielding gas here. Now this is from Hercules. This is a 15 amp, 12.5 inch portable thickness planer. $369 is going to be $30 off here. And this has 96, or delivers 96 cuts per inch, which is nice. Now remember guys, this is good through May 11th. You also get those instant savings deals here. So those are going to be good through 6/5. That's good throughout the whole store.